But is there anything else that you would want to tell an owner or a driver that's about to start or is starting and buying a truck? Is there anything that you would suggest?
Yeah, so I think there's a lot. There really is a lot, and I think the most common issue that I think um, I see in this industry is I think people think the natural progression of a truck driver is, you move from making $800 a week to 1,000 to 1,500. You think the natural progression to make more money is eventually an owner operator, and I think that is a huge misconception because people believe because they can drive a truck that they can become owner operators, and it's a completely different game. You could be driving for 30 years and come into this game as an owner operator and fail in the first 6 months because you have no idea what's on this side of the fence. Like driving, anybody could drive a truck, you know what I mean? But it's the business side that is killing people. No one has ever went out of business because they couldn't drive a truck down the road. It's never happened. People go out of business because they have no idea how to do a profit and loss statement. They have no idea how to, dodge tolls or check fuel. They have no idea about any of this stuff. I've been driving a truck for 20 years. I want more money. I'm just going to keep driving a truck and go buy one. I think, I think it just doesn't work. You know what I mean? You have to understand what you're getting yourself into. And I think that's the major issue with most people is they have no idea. Um, I think the other thing is that kind of tags along with that is that because they have no idea about the industry, they've just been driving trucks. They'll go and buy a truck that they've been driving, like a Cascadia, that'll cost them $200,000. You're buying a truck that costs as much as a house that you can go on Facebook Marketplace and get a truck that costs $15,000 that'll make the same amount of money. And it drives me crazy because a lot of these people, some of them are my friends that are out here financing trucks with $5,000 a month payments when you could have just went on Facebook, I just got a FLD for 12K. The truck has not broken down not one time this entire year. It has made its money back in the first 3 weeks, and it just keeps making money. Whereas if you had a truck payment, it was a Cascadia, you know, your payment is so high. The breakdown is expensive because you have a $20 sensor that can cost you $2,000 on the toll bill. It's just, there's a lot of stuff that if you're coming into this and you have no idea what you're doing, I say just take a step back, get on YouTube because there's nothing new in this industry. It's all been happening for the past 20, 50 years. It's the same stuff. Get on YouTube, watch your channel, watch Asian Mai, where there's guys talking about, I went out of business because of this. I'm struggling because of this. It's all over the internet. So if you're coming into this industry unprepared, you're going to get what's coming to you. You know what I mean?